This is the oil that I took out of the front transaxle of the RAV4. Look how nasty, it's black. It still looks viscous, it looks like it's still oil, but it's black. So that tells me that there's metal suspended in there, right? That's what's making it black. There's quite a bit of whine coming from the transaxles, or from somewhere. I assume it's the transaxles. I replaced that oil there with 7590 full synthetic oil. You can't get 8090 in full synthetic that I've found anyway. So hopefully that does something to improve the whining. I doubt it though. That looks like quite a bit of damage. I don't see any solid chunks of metal in there. Well, maybe a few. Yeah, there's probably a few grains of metal in there. So that would explain why the gears are whining. Maybe they'll clean up, I don't know. Time will tell.